right, folks, the WS6 is done. In the previous video, which I'll put the link in the description, you can see the total carnage it came into the shop with. It's actually quite funny. Go ahead and check that video out. But we pulled that old motor out. We put a LS3 in it, did a 416 stroker kit from Texas Speed, matching cam motion, custom grind cam and springs for this build. Hope you guys like it. It's been super fun, super clean car. I don't know if we mentioned this, but this car is original owner, 2001. It's got less than 40,000 miles on it, and it is immaculate. Like, up under the car, not a speck of rust, nothing. So it's a beautiful car, and let's roll that beautiful bean footage of the build.
A big choo-choo train.
Right. Mr. Scott, can we get a smile out of this? They saw you. Because when this project started, he was so somber. There we go. All right, well, now I guess.
Set a limiter anytime we go anywhere.
That's right. Send her to the exhaust shop. All right, guys, and that's it for the WS6. It's going home. Happy customer. I got another reaction video for you guys. We did a cam swap for a gentleman who actually found us on YouTube. He lives about 7 hours away, so we got in communication with each other, set everything up, got the car delivered down here, went ahead and got him what he wanted. He had seen one of our previous videos, which I'll put the link in the description too for some of our Mopar builds. But super clean car. It's a 2012 Super B, immaculate. The customer filmed their own reaction video. You'll see that at the end of this. But man, can't thank Rob and his cousin Doug enough. They've been super nice. I think we're going to do some more things in the future with them. So thanks you guys for supporting us, and check out this build. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this week. Really appreciate you guys hanging in there with us. If you lasted this long, comment down below. Let me know what kind of content you guys want in the future. Y'all want more builds, more dyno runs, more street racing? Y'all let us know so we can get you guys the content that you want. And we will see y'all next week.